Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for opting to join the L1 training sessions. Now, in this short video, I'm going to give you an overview of the content that we've prepared for the L1 training sessions. The whole content is prepared in Google Sites. There are 10 Google Sites that are prepared for this training sessions. All participants will be required to use their Gmail IDs to log in into the Google site. They will be required to complete various tasks and activities that will actually help build their understanding and extend their knowledge about the application of Google for Education tools to improve classroom teaching and learning. Now, all participants will be able to access this Google site using their Gmail IDs and logins. Uh, in this Google site, every site has a session description, session objectives, and they're linked to ST standards as well. Once the participants have joined the Google Sites and they've completed all these tasks, they will be required to complete a lesson check, and they will be required to complete a feedback form, and they will be required to complete an attendance form every time to join in the session. The similar procedure will be followed for all 1 to 10 sessions. Session 2 also has some tasks and activities which participants are required to complete during the 2-hour online session. They will be required to complete a lesson check, which is created in Google Forms. They will be required to complete a feedback form, which is also created in Google Forms. And they will be required to complete an attendance form as well, which is also created in Google Forms. Now, there is a schedule which will be shared with the participants. There are 10 units, 10 sessions, and almost 12 to 13 units that we plan to cover in these 10 sessions online. Now, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the content for session one. So, the session one objectives are basically going to cover insight into the level one exam content, the exam registration, and the procedure. And participants will get a chance to explore, the level one resources. They will discover the various Google Workspace for education tools that can be used to enhance teaching and learning. They will look at various ways to find information online. They will they will be looking into the role of Google educator groups and how they can support and help them, and they will be investigating the role and support of the experts that are available online, which include Google certified trainers, Google certified coaches, reference schools, and partner organizations. Second session will basically build on the previous session, and in the second session, participants will basically get to explore different features of Google Drive. They're going to demonstrate how Google Drive can be used for effective communication and collaboration. They will be looking into the uses of Google Forms that can be used to enhance teaching and learning in the classrooms and how to use them for formative assessments. They will be particularly focusing on different benefits of Gmail and a particular translation feature in Gmail and how it can actually support, effective communication with various stakeholders. Participants will also explore the role of Google Chart groups, and they will be able to develop or create a Google site for their classrooms as well. Similarly, from 1 till 10 sessions, every session has been developed in a particular Google site, which participants will have full access to. And they will not only have access to the Google site, participants will have full access to the various lesson checks as well. So by the end of session 9 and session 10, participants will be fully equipped and prepared with a thorough knowledge and understanding of the application and implementation of Google for Education tools to enhance teaching learning in their classrooms and in their schools. And at TechValley, we're going to facilitate them in registering for the exams and fully preparing them through the lesson check. So participants will have access to the full course sites and the 10 lesson checks and the unit reviews for these various sessions that they're going to cover till the end of the session, which is going to be almost 3 to 4 weeks. So they will have access to the content, they will have access to the tasks and activities, they will have access to the Google sites, and most importantly, they will have access to the lesson checks and the end of the review check as well. So thank you to anybody who has opted to join these training sessions with us. We hope you will have a great learning experience and a great learning journey with us at Tech Valley in helping you. And thank you for trusting us in helping you prepare you for the element training sessions. Thank you to anybody who's watched the video now. Thank you to anybody who gets a chance to watch the video later. We look forward to all of you joining our training sessions online. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.